Totes terrific sale. Totes terrific sale. What's up, bag babe? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual Thirtyone consultant. If you are new here, hi! My name's Rochelle. I'm a leader with Thirtyone Gifts. If you love all things Thirtyone and what it stands for, consider yourself a bag babe. Subscribe button, and don't forget to give these videos a big like. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Totes Terrific Sale, or the Memorial Sale, or for you ladies in the North, Victoria Day Sale. This video is going to give you all the 401. I'm going to talk about the prints and actually demonstrate 4 out of the 5 totes that we have. Now, if you want to see another bag babe, see how she uses her tote, or see the tote that I don't have, check out this video up above. She totally displayed it on our last Tuesday Show Me Your Stash series episode. So let's go ahead and dive in on the details. So when does this occur? It is going to start Friday, May 21st until May 31st. So you have a good 10 days of this sale. They're going to be launching on Friday, 3 a.m. East Coast time or midnight West Coast time, okay? Until the very end of the month. There are going to be 5 totes on sale for 50% off. That's why it's Totes Terrific Sale. I'm going to be showing you all the prints that will be available in these specific totes. A few fun facts on how you can save on shopping this terrific sale is use these sale items to unlock your all-day, everyday customer special. Spend $50, get any item or bundle in the catalog for 50% off. So hey, that's called a Rockstar deal. Grab everything in your cart for 50% off. Again, add these items that are already on 50% off to your cart, rack it up to $50, and then get something at regularly priced item for 50% off. Boom! There you go. Now that's a steal. Now, if you want to level it up, grab one of our monthly bundles that are only available in May at 50% off as well. Now, if you want to get super fancy, yes, you can totally personalize all these totes, and that personalization will totally add onto your $50 cart. So if you're a few dollars short, personalize it, baby. That's what we do. Make it unique, make it you. So let's go ahead and dive in on the very first tote that's going to be on sale. This is the Cinch Up Utility Tote. This has actually been one of my favorites. I want to say top 5 that I have been using lately. Again, it'll only come in this marble colored. This is the marble, granite marble, I believe. Marble something. So this is this specific print in this specific bag that will be only on sale for 50% off. Again, it's made of that polyester material. Actually, it's mixed material. Down here, it's canvas. This is like that slippery windbreaker material. You have long straps. Very, very, very generous right there. And then guess what? You have a pocket right in the front. Yes, you can personalize it and it would be right here. Yes, and All About the Benjamins can totally fit in here. So if you need something on the go, you can see how that All About the Benjamins nicely fits in that pocket. Again, what makes this tote unique is that you can cinch it up. You have 2 durable, strong ropes right here. I love how it has this little tab so you can easily identify it. And guess what? It cinches. So for you ladies who love options of like, I want a closed tote bag, but sometimes I like to keep it open, this is the tote for you. I used this recently during my trip to Maui because I can totally flatten this in my bag on my carry-on, and I had an extra tote just in case I needed to do some extra shopping. On the inside, there are no pockets, but you do have that slippery material all the way through, except for the bottom. But the bottom looks like it has that laminated canvas. So it is not waterproof, but I may say water resistant. So if you are bringing this to the beach, to the lake, to the pool, this is a great beach bag, and a ton of things can fit in here as well. So again, this is the Cinch Up Tote. It's going to Cinch Up Utility Tote, and it's going to be on 50% off starting Friday. Next one up, one of my awesome favorites, which is the Small Utility Tote. Yay! Now, this print is not going to be on sale, but there are 8 prints available in the Small Utility Tote. Again, one of my top 5 favorites, especially for you moms or women on the go. I love bringing this in for my everyday errands. So if I have somewhere quick to go, I would go into my shop, use this as my shopping cart, go to the self-checkout, and guess what? I have a bag already for me to fill in anything. Or let's say I'm headed to the mailbox, I could just stick a few things in here, and guess what? I have a little tidy caddy. Another thing is, if anything kid related, I want to stuff a few things here. Again, total super easy caddy. As you can see, 101 uses to use it. Yes, you can personalize it. It would be right here. And one thing about this little tiny utility tote, small utility tote, is that it has a pocket. You have one pocket in the front. Here is my All About the Benjamin. Totally fit in there, like it nicely slides in here. So if you needed a nice organized space for you to easily identify where your wallet is or where your phone is, it could go right here, okay? This will be at 50% off. This is a wonderful gifting idea. Every person I've given this tote to seriously loves it, and not only is it cute and handy, but there's 101 ways to use it. If you don't know about a little special hack, 31 hack, consultant tip, whatever you want to call it, you have your deluxe duty caddy. Guess what? 2 of these can fit in here. So if you want an organized space, or if you want to organize your haul or your gift or your grocery haul, you can fit 2 of these small utility totes, and then you can simply grab and go. So if you want to do your produce here, and then like your hard cartons, your milk and all that stuff, fun stuff on one side, you can totally do that, and then you can simply pull it out when you're ready to tote it. So again, the small utility tote going to be on sale, coming in 8 colors, 50% off. Next up, we have our round utility tote. This print itself will not be included, but you will have 6 gorgeous options to choose from, coming Friday at 50% off. Again, there are 101 uses for you to use this round utility tote, or as in the industry called a RUT, R-U-T. To go over the specifics, here it is. It is a half moon shaped utility tote. Material is just like all of our canvas totes. This is like that laminated material canvas. So again, if something, like if water or some liquid were to get on here, it would totally slide off. I wouldn't call it waterproof, water resistant maybe. On the inside, same concept. You see, I love that plastic sheen, because again, it's totally water resistant. If you were to personalize it, it would go here. As you can see, this is my personalization. This is one of the free swag or treats that I earned when I earned the cruise last in 2020, but we didn't go, but they still sent us all the gear, which I totally appreciate. I love, this is my, I have several round utility totes, but this is my go-to, and I've added the other round utility totes to my gifting stash. You do have one pocket. I love how the contrasting straps are here, add that little detail. You will notice that the pocket is a bit of an odd shape, so just be mindful of that, but it is super big. Again, my All About the Benjamins nicely fits in there. You still have plenty of room to spare in here. The round utility tote does not have any internal pockets in here. Oh, actually, I lied. Oh my gosh. It does have one pocket in here, and it is an open flap. So if you need to put something that you don't want to lose at the bottom, let's say some keys or something, or mask or some other fun stuff, you do have a small pocket right there. All right, and it looks like it's the size of this backside right here. So the round utility tote, again, 101 ways to use it instantly. Let me know in the comments, what is the first thing you would use this for when you grab yours at 50% off on Friday. The next tote that we have for sale, I personally love during the holidays, because during the holidays, that's when my errands and my hauls get bigger, and we all know why, because it is the gifting season. This is the medium utility tote. So if the deluxe, the large, and the small is not your thing, maybe the medium utility tote is. This is one of the prints that will be on sale. I love it. It's the football print, and it goes all the way around. Yes, you can personalize it. It would go on one of the sides here, and there's going to be 2 other prints that will be available, which is the window pane and the twinkling plum. So some of you girls know, I know you love these 2 colors. It's just like our large utility tote, but smaller. I'm currently using this as our fish tank junk holder, and it slides nicely right underneath our fish tank stand, so it is full of goodness, and there's plenty of room to spare. If you want to see what this compares to with our large utility tote, which is our #1 product, you can see the size difference. Okay, this one is definitely bigger than this one. Let's see, maybe you can see it on the side right there, as there's a size difference. So definitely smaller. In sizing, obviously, because it's a medium utility tote, this is a large utility tote. And so if you want something more compact or something smaller in your trunk or in your kids venue, this is it. So see, this significantly smaller. All right, so this is the large and this is the medium utility tote. You are in for the treat of your lifetime. The last tote is the Crossbody organizing tote. That is a tote that I don't currently have, but guess what? You girls are gonna get a flashback of what I look like literally 3 years ago. I had this bag as a giveaway and did a review during my early days on YouTube. So let's go ahead and check out my review on the Crossbody organizing tote. 2 bags over here, or 2 pockets. We got another pocket, mesh pocket on the side over here. And, sorry baby, another mesh pocket over here. It has a zipper that you can open, and it's super roomy inside. I could put my head over it. Ah! Inside, there is another pocket right there that you can slip your cell phone in. Probably is a great idea. It looks like you can tuck this guy in. Oh, that's super cool for a shorter look. Or if you don't want to zip up the bag, some people don't like zippers, they just like to throw things. So that's a good function. And this way you can fold it up, zip it up, and it actually gives you what? Another good 2 inches of more stash to put in there. It comes with your 2 handles, so if you can carry it like that, and you can wear it as a crossbody. Hello, crossbody organizing tote. And it is adjustable. So there you have it, guys. All right, ladies, there you have it. I was cringing to watch it, but this crossbody will be coming in 2 different prints available for you for 50% off. What a difference from me then till now. And so if you've been watching with me and watching my journey, I can't thank you enough for sticking around this long. I truly appreciate your love and support. Now, if you're loving anything in the tote sale that'll be launching this Friday, the 21st until the 31st, make sure you get in on my monthly mystery hostess. Link is down below. I have until the 25th, and then I will announce the 26th, the winner for that. We have already surpassed the $500 mark. So yes, whoever wins that will get access to 2 of the insider exclusives and a ton more of shopping. And yes, we've unlocked the insider bundle for this month. Yay! I will be automatically linking the June's link on the 26th. So if you girls still want to shop the tote sale, guess what? You get to double dip on the months and you will get double entries for next month. What? Way to go. Now, if you are shopping with me this month for the month of May, you're in for the Rockstar giveaway, which will be something from the Summer Guide catalog. Woo woo! Now, if you want a summer guide or a sneak peek of this, comment me, ME, down below. If you want all the details, if you're in my rewards club, guess what, ladies? You're going to get a paper copy in the mail for your June Happy Mail. Now, make sure if you comment me that I have your information, or else I won't be able to send this stuff to you. If you want to directly get a hold of me, I have my Facebook Messenger me here. If we've connected in the past before, shoot me an email, a text, or if this is the first time you've come across my channel, there's a contact me form down below and we can totally connect in that route. Again, for the month of May, we have only a few more days left. Don't forget that we are in Money Back May. If you are a goal-oriented carrot chaser, you set your mind on something and you totally want it, I would be honored if you chose me to partner up with you to get in on Money Back May. Not only will you get your kit for free, but you'll get some money in your pocket, a little bit more than fun money in your pocket. You'll get 2 additional free items that are not included in your kit and so much more. Again, if you want information all about the consultant perks with Thirtyone, feel free to reach out to me. We can totally chit chat. We're looking for leaders and consultants alike. As you can see, I bring a lot of energy into this channel. If you work with me, you know I'll give you the same energy and support. If you haven't yet, join us on Saturdays during Bag Babe TV, where you go live with me and the other awesome bag babes in this awesome community, and we chit chat about all the fun things about what's going on with Thirtyone for the week. And sometimes we play games, sometimes we brainstorm personalization. This is your time to shine. Consider subscribing. Check out these awesome playlists that I have for you, and I will see you in the next video. Go ahead, girls, get your totes on. Bye!